whitening specialist.
Sana Redoxman specialist on board.
Fantastic.
Okay. This is about teeth whitening treatment. Okay, the treatment will only take like 30 to 45 minutes. And it gives you like 6 to 8 shades whiter right after the treatment.
Right.
Easy treatment, no sensitivity. Now, if you're concerned with caps, crowns, porcelain veneers, and dentures, you can still have the treatment done. Now, the price for this treatment, we offer like couples treatment. The single treatment is $149. We're giving $20 off per person if you're gonna book for this couple. Now, today we're giving 20% off, so you can choose. You can choose the 20% off for single treatment, or you can choose the $20 off. It's up to you.
Neat. How long did...
This is gonna be like 30 to 45 minutes.
Okay.
And it's gonna last longer if you know how to keep it up. So it's up to you. If you drink coffee, Red Wine, or tea, and you don't do anything, what happened after the treatment? You just put back the stain right away. So much better if you have the treatment done, then maintain it. Okay, that's the only thing that you can do.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much and have a great day. Thank you.
Okay, follow me here.
Yep.